Good afternoon guys, for today's video magtatabas tayo sa ating ginagawang kaingin. Sa aming ginagawang kaingin guys. Dito natin sa may kabila ng sitawan namin guys. Bali magapatumban na lang din ako ng mga kahoy. Kasi nakaraan si kuya na nilinisan niya na. Ito yung daan guys. Lama pala yung gamit yung itak guys. Kaya mga kahoy na ibubugsok namin sa sitaw din guys. Itatanim namin dito guys. Yan guys oh. Iba din pala yung sinunog namin nakaraan. Tataniman nyo namin ang ampalaya. Then ngayon ito ay sitaw naman ang itatanim namin dito. Medyo makulimlim nga guys. Sana hindi magbupak ng ulan para makasunog. Diba guys, ito pala yung mga ibang pambugsok-bugsok ay pambugsok gising pala guys. Pambalag ito, itatabi muna natin to guys. Yan, kasi baka matutumba ng mga puno na yan. Bale yung mga ganito pala guys, kukunin natin yung mga tuwid dahil pambugsok na rin sa sitaw na itatanim. So update ko na lang kayo mamaya guys pag natapos natin yung mga ipapatumba po guys. Guys, pauwi na kami guys. Umulan guys. Yun yung kuya ko pala guys. Sumunod din kanito. Yun na, nauna ko din siya pauwi. Bali natapos din namin yung doon banda. Kunti na lang guys. Grabing kulimlim dito guys. Then sila ate pala guys. Tapos yung boyfriend si Delon nagpatulong pala magkabit ng Christmas tree nila. Ngayon dadaan tayo dun sa bahay nila para tulungan sila. Let's go. Nandito na tayo guys. Siyempre yung pag-andra sa amin. Yan.
No, Mark, keep it going, man. You need to do one thing for us, because we can't put the lights up, can we? It's raining, isn't it? So, but can you turn this one on? Because I said yesterday to you, right, that
Yeah.
it was already on, but it wasn't. Right, come on in. Because there's no way we can get the rest of the lights on, is it like? So, because it's raining, there's no way. But this one, right, let's hold it for you.
My Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man up already. Because last night, guys, I was like, oh man, it's not turned on. Right, so there's one which says on it, and then there's a mode, so maybe I hit that one. That's the on one. Yeah, well, it needs to be dark. No, leave it up, like, just once you pressed. Once.
Matagal?
Isang bisis mo lang pinipit.
Because it won't turn on, because it's still bright. I don't know what it is now.
Ano?
Hindi, dilitan na lang. Wait.
But he's just pressed it twice, fair. Oh no!
Tatlong beses ka na
It's
lang
twice.
It's a 3 times.
3 times. So wait, on, off, on.
On.
And then you
On,
pressed
off,
it
on.
4?
No.
3? Alright, okay. I think that might be it then. Nice one. And for John Mark's vlog, here's his father. What do you have to say? Not much to say. Anne's making
Thank you.
puto, actually.
What?
Puto?
The puto.
Yeah. My tummy.
Why are you going out?
I don't know.
Yan nga pala guys, nagagawa doon ng puto. Ren?
Magagawa ko ng puto. Puto
Yeah, puto,
cheese.
she has these things that she got. So they're made out of plastic. Apparently they
for
can be
photo.
reused. Because there were the paper ones, it was like 60 pesos. And they'll just, be ripped and broken. But then this was like, you use it so many times. Yeah.
Kaya si Ka guys, nagluto ng popcorn.
Wait lang.
Cauldron of popcorn, like. Looking for somewhere to set it, are you? You can probably set it here, it's wood. It's maybe alright, is it? It's maybe okay, like.
Wait, wait.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Lagyan mo doon sa bowl.
That smells good, like.
Smell like a corn.
Like corn, but no, it smells like sweet, yummy, like a sweet smell. Really
Oh.
cool.
Have a visitor. Bam.
Pure beer, like
Hmm.
it seems like doing
Tastes
it cinema.
good.
That's
You
what it's
vlogger.
like. Hashtag love and life, like.
Bilis naman po ang mga wata na ito.
Yo, like.
I think need to push like that.
Maybe if they cool down, they shrink a
Ah,
little
yeah,
bit
need
too.
ano nga. Cold. Little one pa kasi.
Merinda.
And what's that cheese on top? Is it?
Yes.
Is there cheese
Tutot
inside
niya
it
ate
too?
guys.
There is. So it's like double cheese
Double
overload
cheese.
puto.
At yun na nga guys, tumila ng ulan. Babalik tayo doon sa pinagkortehan natin kanina. Magkakakot naman tayo ng bugsok. Para ibalag natin doon sa mga sitaw doon sa may tabing bahay. So yan na nga guys, oh. Medyo kalat-kalat yung iba, kailangan pa natin iipon. Diyan, mo doon. So guys, ito na nga pala yung dala ko, konti-konti lang guys. Dahil mabigat, dahil mga basa pa yung kahoy na di pa pang bugsok sa ating sitaw guys. Dito rin daan guys sa sitawan. Yan. Malapit lang sa bahay guys yung yung tanim na bago namin yan. Uy.
tough. He's losing a hand. He needs to be an octopus. He needs to be an I think. But he's off with his left.
Yun guys, yan na pala si Kuya guys. Nag-umpisa na.
He's been preparing it.
Yan guys. Kunti lang ang guys.
Was it tough like carrying it and trying to do that at the same time? Because usually you can probably like balance it better, but this time no. Yeah.
Yan guys, binero pa tayo no. Ating magiging another brother, my mother. At update ko na lang kayo mamaya guys. So guys, after nga ilang minutes guys, natapos din namin kuya. Hindi ko. Mga 200 puno lang din yan siya guys, hindi to. Ay 200 bugso. Bali ako manig ako, bago siya yung manig ano. Maniglagay, butas tapos siya maniglagay. Ito may naiwan na ilang piraso guys. Then ngayon, maghanap din ng kahoy na ilalagay natin sa kabitan ng hero nila ate. Sa dirty kitchen nila na pinapagawa. Yan guys, may yero na din sila. Dito kakabitan na lang din ng yero to guys. Nandito bandang part ito. Then dito na lang sa may kabilang wala pang ano guys, balagbag na tatlong ano pa guys, kahoy or 6 ganun kasi mahaba nga guys yung kakabitan ng yero. Yan yung yan ang harap niya guys. Abangan nyo na lang sa susunod na ating mga video. Thank you. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako maghanap din ng kahoy na ilalagay sa pangbubong nila ate sa dirty kitchen nila. Ito nga pala guys, may nakita kong isa na dulo. Pwede na to, pandagdag lang. Kunin ko muna guys. Bale ito na pala guys, nakuha na natin yung isa. Kunin na lang natin yung mga nakuha natin kanina. May tinabi ako doon mga tweed. Doon muna sa may pinaglilisan ko kanina guys. Ay sa pinagkortehan ko. Bale ito na pala ng dalawa guys. Na yan, nakuha ko kanina guys. Daray na lang natin doon, tapos yung isa doon daanan na lang natin. Yan na pala guys, nakuha natin para dyan. Yun guys, hanggang doon lang muna ang ating video ngayon. Thank you for watching and support me. God bless.